Okay, I wanted to do and I want to start a series on the WP REST API. I think that it's getting mature enough to whereas you can actually do a full length tutorial series on this. So I'm doing this with no charge, of course, um, for my YouTube channel. So the first thing is that, so what does the REST API do? Well, if you're building Angular or React applications, then the REST API can allow you to integrate those type of frameworks, single page applications using WordPress. And so basically what it is that you're able to basically have a faceless WordPress or a WordPress that's not based on the traditional um, WordPress theme. There are a couple of tutorial series that you can go to. There's lynda.com's tutorial series. They have a tutorial series on building Angular themes. I mean, a WordPress theme using Angular, which basically is based on the REST API. So if we talk about Angular JS and you look at the um, building a WordPress theme right here, single page application using WordPress. This is all about the REST API. So, so what I wanted to start off with this video with, and there are other tutorial series like this, not just lynda.com, other sites have the same thing, and you can even search for it on YouTube. Um, what I wanted to start off with was the actual API. So you want to go to v2.wp-api.org. And one practical thing is that if you update your WordPress to 4.2 or later, it's automatically installed. It's already baked into the core, or you can just download the program, the plugin, and install it as a plugin. Now, for those of you who are new to WordPress theming, you need to learn WordPress theming first so that you even understand what WordPress theming is, so that you'll understand how you're getting away from the traditional theming, because this will become confusing to you. But the first thing you want to understand is endpoints. So endpoints are the way that you access the data from or read the data from the WordPress site. So I'm even using my own site. So say for instance, you wanted to get a list of all these posts that are on this front page. Well, the documentation gives you the ability to access endpoints. So here we go. If we click on post, gives you all this information, all these endpoints on how to access uh, this information. So say for instance, I wanted to access uh, my endpoint for all of my posts. So what I would do is I would come over here. I would look at this example, which is using a curl option, which is a command line option. But all I would have to do is just copy this last URL string after the forward slash, which is the WP JSON WP version 2 post. And then if I come over here to Imagination Everywhere .info and hit forward slash and finish that URL string, what you will see is a JSON feed of all my posts coming from my database. So this is copying everything. So you do the same thing with pages. So the same thing with pages. So say for instance, I wanted a certain page I wanted to get the data from. So I would copy that ID. So let's do like 1496. So I go slash 1496. And so now it just give me the specific information for that. It will just give me the specific information for that. So all you have to do is just come in and read the um, read the documentation. A lot of it is really self-explanatory, and not that hard. We'll get more into um, reading, updating, deleting, and all that, and authentication, all of that in later videos. But that's just one way of showing you how to access your data via the WP API via JSON. Now, if you don't understand JSON, learn that first, because all of this will be, kind of crazy if you don't understand this. So thank you for watching this video, and look for more to come on the WP API.